Alright, this is going to be a 52-inch anti-brass Hampton Bay Huntington 2 ceiling fan. Yeah, that might be stuck. I'm going to not turn low, and you can turn only medium and high. Maybe that low, making it just stopped. And, ready? So you can turn on and see how medium high works. Yep, now it works. It's high. Look at that fan. Ceiling fan. Turns on high. Okay. Lots of fan turns on a little bit of high. And good idea. And okay. Okay, you see it stopping here. Here's a medium. You see the medium, it looks like doing a lot of medium here. Medium, low. But it can't turn low, but it stopped. Yeah, I've seen this medium in here and high. Yep, it turns high. Looks like it turns this fan on high. Okay. So okay. So let's see how you turn this off from before. Ready? And takes along this medium. Good medium. Yep, now it stopped. Can't turn low, but it stopped. Thank you. Bye.